Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a trip preparation vlog. So I'm going to Gatlinburg with 7 other people on Friday. Today is Monday right now, and I have a few things that I have to do. I need to pack, I need to do my hair, I'm going to get my lashes done. It's only gonna be a weekend trip, but like I want to take some pictures and get some like good content while I'm there. So I'm gonna do my hair on Thursday. I need to wash, braid, and install the wig. And the wig is a curly wig, so I need to dye the wig and then let it air dry. So I went upstairs and got my mom's carry-on, and I'm gonna use that. And I also have a backpack that I'm gonna use. So I have quite a bit of things that I can pack. I have so much stuff to do, so I might as well just pack a majority of my outfits like right now. So before I did anything, I just made sure to put all of my outfits together, and honestly I ended up wearing like 2 of these outfits. I brought all these jackets, all these outfits, all these shoes, and I ain't even wear them, but I was still cute with the ones that I actually wore. But all this stuff came from Shein. If you want me to, then I'll link all this stuff below for y'all. So I packed up all this stuff, and as you saw, I am a jacket girl. I love jackets. I want to be a jacket, and I basically just balled up all the jackets in this carry-on, and I put them all in the carry-on. So like I said, I was going with 7 other people, so I was trying to be considerate, and I was trying to make sure that all of my stuff was going to be able to be kind of compact, because like I said, I was going with 7 other people, and the fact that I had a smaller suitcase really helped because our vehicle was not big enough. I mostly carried my stuff in like a backpack, and I also had like 1 more bag, but that was just about it. So here's what my suitcase looks like. Full. So I think that I'm just gonna put like my extra leggings and my bras and my panties in here. And I don't know what I'm gonna put in these pockets, but I know I'm gonna put like my t-shirts, bras, panties, anything that I'm sleeping in. This is a bag from my vendor. When I was testing out a vendor about a few weeks ago, and the wig came in this nice bag. So I think I'm gonna put my contact solution, my contacts. I think that my blow dryer and hot comb can fit in here to go with all of my toiletries and stuff like that. So I think I'm straight with this. So this is where like all my actual clothes are gonna go. But as far as like my in the house, in the cabin clothes, they'll probably be in my backpack or somewhere. Anything else that I have to pack will probably be packed up later on during the week, because of course I'm gonna need that stuff. So for now, this is what I have, and I'm glad I did it because I have so many other things to do this week. So I know I'm not flying, but I'm not trying to bring this big old thing of body wash with me. So I had a creative idea to put my lotion and my body wash in these 2 bottles right here. I think I'm gonna have to label them because they look so much alike, but these are actually oil squeeze bottles. So what I'm gonna do is, since I don't have a funnel, I'm gonna take these and then I'm gonna put the body wash in there, and then I'm gonna treat it like a piping bag. So, you know, a piping bag with like icing. So I'm gonna cut a hole in the bottom, and then I'm gonna screw the top off, and then I'm gonna squeeze it in there. I don't even care if there's just a tad bit of oil in it, because like oil is good for your skin, oil is good for your hair. So if it mixes, oh well. Today is Tuesday, and I'm currently on my lunch break at work. I'm gonna run some errands. So while I was packing, I saw that there was some stuff that I needed and some stuff that I need to get. I need to get some contact solution because I will be wearing my contacts, obviously. I need a toiletry bag. I technically have a toiletry bag at the house, but I got that when I was like 16. I would say it's kind of kiddie, in my opinion. It's a little kiddie, so I need one that's a little more grown up. I need a silk scarf because word on the curb is if you wear a silk scarf with your installs instead of the elastic lace band, then your install will last longer. I don't have any lotion. So majority of this stuff on the list, I technically don't need it, but I got the money, so I'm gonna buy it. Plain and simple. I'm gonna go to Target and then I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store because they're both in the same parking lot. And I also need to pick up my glue because I had a little debacle yesterday about my glue. My content phone is supposed to be coming in tomorrow, so I'll have that so I don't have to vlog on this phone. Just came back from the girl house, so we were having a really good conversation basically about how like she got to where she is now. And I actually got I bought some hair vendors from her. I'm gonna try them out, not right now though, but in the near future, because I'm trying to get my hair business off the ground. I got my glue, I ordered some remover, and I ordered some skin protectant because I have eczema and just my hairline takes a beating whenever I put on wigs. And this will be my first time trying glue in a long time. Kind of excited. It's not gonna be just debit carded vibes today because I got some stuff I actually need to buy. Here is the contact solution. The price of being blind. Stop, the beauty supply store. Well, I'm at home now. You can tell by this trash ass lighting. I'm gonna take out all of my stuff out of the car and do a little like a mini haul so y'all can see all the stuff that I bought. So I guess I'm gonna go by store. I got this toiletry bag. I think this is like the Target brand for everything. This bag is big enough for me to put my hair stuff in. So like my install stuff, maybe even like everything else. The inside of the bag looks like, so it's split down the middle. There's a zipper part inside. I'm thinking that I could probably fit all of my stuff in here. My install stuff, my contact solution, my glasses case, be able to fit these 2 bottles inside like that. So honestly, I don't even think I need another bag. I got some contact solution and then I got some lotion. Like I said, it wasn't gonna be debit carded vibes today. So here is my glue. So I got her skin protectant, her lace glue remover, and the lace glue. So the lace glue comes in a watermelon scent, and I'm honestly excited to try this because the whole Ghost Bond debacle, I have not tried any glue for like 2 or 3 years. So this is exciting, especially because I have the skin protectant now. I now know that whenever I use any kind of glue, I'm gonna have to get some type of skin protectant. Here is my beauty supply store haul. So I got my silk scarf. Y'all, I am so proud of myself for keeping up with my list. Some hair dye. So honestly, I did not need this much hair dye, but I bought green anyway. I got Hunter Green in the Kiss Temptations, and for the Adora I got Clover. So I got all my wig stuff out right now. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie y'all, probably not gonna get a video on this. Too bad, so sad. Tell your dad. Bleach maybe like some sections in the front. I'm gonna bleach them, and then I'm going to bleach maybe like 2 middle pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's already like 6 o'clock. It's 6 something right now. This should not take all night. So it's Wednesday and it is 7:10 p.m. So I didn't get to vlog this whole day because this whole day was kind of, not the whole day, but the last part of the day was kind of a shit show. And clearly I went and got my lashes done, which they look so good, by the way. My content phone is here. Well, technically my camera, my content phone is here. I'm actually vlogging on it right now. If you can see a difference in quality, it's because I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max. My phone was available for pickup, so I went and I picked up the phone from the nearest FedEx, from the FedEx location that was closest to my house. I kind of played with my phone a little bit on my lunch break, and then I went and got my lashes done. But I had to stop by the store. I had like 20 minutes to get to my lash appointment, and there was traffic, and then there was tornado warning, and but needless to say, I got to my lash appointment on time. I was really trying to get there in a timely manner because especially in Memphis, like between like hairstylists, lash artists, nail techs, like either people be trying to get over on you or stylists or the service provider be scamming. So I was making sure to get there on time. Like I like to be a really good client. Raining, it was pouring down rain. Like I was not trying to vlog all that because I was just trying to get my life together. I was at work and my cycle started, and TMI, but I've been bleeding through my underwear this whole day, so I need to take all this off. I need to strip down. I'm gonna get in the shower and then just wash my hair, wash myself, give myself some time to just breathe because it's been a pretty eventful second part of the day. And then I'm gonna install my wig, and honestly that's gonna be it. My hair is washed and I'm going to install my wig. It's like 8:14 now, so I'm sure it'll take me at least like an hour to do my hair. So now I'm installing my wig. So I have no idea why I always like underestimate how long it's gonna take me to do something. Like I do it every single time. I'm like, oh, all I need to do is this, all I need to do is this, and then it takes me all freaking night. But my hair turned out really cute. Oh, you're gonna see it in the next few clips. But I need to do a like updated install routine video. Not a lot has changed really, except for the fact that I actually use glue now, and I only use one person's glue, and that is Lakedra. Shout out to her. I'm gonna put her information in the description box, but her glue is the only glue I'm ever gonna use ever in life. But back to the install routine. Not much has changed except for like a few things, a few tweaks. So I guess I'll do a whole video for that just so y'all can see how my installs have improved over time. So this hair is actually from my vendor. I'm testing out vendors right now, so if you want this hair, you're gonna have to get it through me. You can't get it from a website, you have to buy it from me. And like you can see how like transparent HD whatever the fuck the lace is. Like it's been a journey testing different vendors, and I'm gonna expand further on that. But yeah, this green, so cute, I love it. Now my hair is done, y'all. She's giving, as always. My installs always slap on myself, but I'm gonna clean up my room and then go to bed and then tie my hair up. I'm gonna pack the rest of my stuff because I still have just a few little things that I need to pack up. So I didn't like the beginning of my vlog footage, but in this clip it is the next day. It's Thursday, March 2nd, and before I left, my mom asked me if I could wash the sheets in my room and in the guest room, so of course I did it. This day was basically like a cleaning day, so I had my stuff pretty much packed up. My wig was installed, my lashes were done. I just had to clean up my room and do my own laundry. I have no idea why I'm about to wash this underwear because, like I've said earlier in the video, I'm on my period, and I actually have some like always depends. They're like diapers. Like people always like to laugh and joke and say, oh, I'm gonna put a diaper on. Like, these are actually comfortable. I have them on right now. I've had them on all day and they haven't been bothering me. Now that my stuff is washing at the moment, I think I'm gonna like, I'm not gonna say like deep clean my room, but like I'm gonna prepare my room for my absence. Real good with cleaning my room, but this week since I've been preparing for this trip, I have not been really just like cleaning my room how I normally do. And I think that with my like toothbrush, toothpaste, stuff like that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my toiletry bag, and then I'll put it on the sink in the morning. All I'm gonna have to do is just take my stuff out, brush my teeth, wash my face, and then put it back in the bag, and then go and leave. So by this time, my laundry was already done, and I had washed my period panties, I washed my regular panties, and I washed all my bras. So I knew I was on my cycle, but like I was kind of like, I'm gonna just bring some regular underwear just in case. Like I already said, I had the Always Depends pads, and I also brought like I said, regular panties and period panties, just so I could like just have a variety of undergarments to go with. Scarf is on, the contacts are out, lashes have been brushed to go to bed. It's about 10 o'clock, just a tad bit earlier than I go to bed, just because like I spent this entire week clearly prepping for this trip, and so I'm tired. Like my body is tired, and I got a long day ahead of me tomorrow. Everybody else in my group is off work except for me. I'm the only one that had to go to work and getting off early. So that's the end of this video. I pretty much have everything packed up. I'll tune in for my Gatlinburg vlog, because I will be vlogging at Gatlinburg. Come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.